Hi guys. Hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you that how you can put the screen protector for the iPhone. First things first. This is the one I cleaned it, but on the screen, this is the tissue, and you will just put a little bit alcohol, normal alcohol, which is this this alcohol, and just put on top of the tissue, and then just clean clean very well. You just clean very well, very nicely. You don't need any dirt, any fingerprint. you know that's how you're gonna clean everything. So this is very simple to put the screen protector. Let it dry completely. As you see, very clean. So there is no fingerprint. So let's start at the. But this is the one, the screen protector. What we're gonna do this sticker label. We're gonna pull it. Hold on a minute. Oh, I touched the screen. Sorry. Okay. All right. Let's make the camera a little bit up. Okay. Done. Yeah. Just pull this level. Level. Yeah. Okay. Just pull it. A little. It's complicated, but there's nothing impossible. How are you gonna do? Okay, pull it. What are you gonna do? Exactly the same place that you need the button. There is a hole here. Maybe you're seeing or not. There is a hole right there on the screen, and bring the button. Place that exactly. Exactly. You should bring there. Right there. See, it's sucking. That is, sorry, a little bit sideways. Let me see. Let me open the light a little bit. That I can see. Yeah, you have to put exactly the button. Okay, I think not a little bit more that side. More this side. Just adjusting is a little bit hard, but okay. Right there. Okay. Okay. It's sucking, that? Do you see that it's? As I did, yeah. Almost, yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Now, just push. Push like this. Let it go, let it go. Let it go. So, let's pull it on the side. That's it. This is the way it is. This is the way. Yeah, I see. This is on top. Yeah, this is the way it is. It's gonna, all this is gonna, like, you have to push little bit, and little while you're not gonna see all these dots. So So yeah, this is it. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.